This is TJ with Bull Ridge Plumbing, doing a whole house colonoscopy at 6103 Kerry Avenue with a K, K-E-R-R-Y, Kerry Avenue. Currently 84.5 feet out. That is our city tap. Right there. There she is. Check it out. Water dripping off. Pretty normal. We're going to start backing up here. We are in a clay waistline. There's our clay. There's a few roots. We're actually hanging straight down right now, so that's why it looks like kind of weird when we're wobbling around. Here we flatten out. You can see right here on the right side, we got a pretty good sized root right there running down into that city sewer. Moving on up, flattening out right here. In every clay sewer, we expect to see a few things like roots and slight separations. Right there, we have a separation. And small ball of roots coming in on the bottom right. We kick on back. Notice the number down in the bottom left corner, the +1, the +2. That means we have, that's our drainage, our sense. So the +1 means we're actually moving uphill going to the city sewer. Should be a negative number instead of that positive. Always a concern because then we drop into places like this. You can actually see that root running down there on the top left side too. See how we drop right here, plop, and we're out of sight. About an inch deep right there, I believe. Pretty good separation, I believe, right there. That is causing that. And if you watch that counter, we stay on the positive side here for a little bit, meaning we're running uphill. So that's why we've got all this water. Anytime we have this much water in a sewer, it's a place of concern because sludge and debris can be caught up down in an area like this and cause backups, cause issues. Not saying it has happened, not saying it will happen, but it might. It's also the reason for all of this standing water right here. When we have issues like that, then it requires us to do more maintenance than a normal sewer would require. You can see we're just right over the top of the lens, so right about an inch deep in here. Clay waistline. You can see we've also got a lot of sludge buildup in there. That's an indication that we have a lot of water standing in there quite often. Always a concern. Got a bunch of roots coming in there on the right side, dangling down from the top. Notice that drainage there is still going up a little bit. Not a huge deal. Now we've got good drainage coming through here. Here we transition to the cast iron that's under the house. Has a mild scale to it. There's probably enough there that I would recommend that we do a descale of this cast iron. Just to help clean it up, smooth it out a little bit. Help it flow a little bit better. Cast iron looks good, but that clay line back there is definitely a concern. I will recommend that we do a sewer clean on this, along with the descale, and with that sewer clean, then we'll do another camera inspection to see if we can get a little bit better look at that belly where all that water's standing. Then maybe we can see what's going on and give a true recommendation as to what is happening there. Here, we're out of that clean out right there. There's the plug. Here's the camera. There's Dominic making sure I'm doing my job. So once again, we're going to recommend a sewer clean. I'm going to recommend Rudex, and I'm going to recommend a descale of the cast iron. This has been a Bull Ridge Dirty Movie production. Thank you.